Okay, so here it has been told in the following cases, determine whether the given planes are parallel or perpendicular. In case they are neither, find the angles in between them. So if we have two intersecting planes, then the suppose the equation of the plane pi1 is given as suppose ax plus by, and a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 that is equal to 0. And the plane pi2 equation is given as a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 that is equal to 0. Then the rule is that the angle between the planes that is equal to the angle between the normals to those planes, the angle between the normal vectors to those planes, the angle between the normal vectors to the planes. Okay, so therefore the angle in between the planes pi1 and pi2 that will be equal to, so for this plane pi1, the normal vector n1 that will be given as a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. And for the plane pi2, the normal vector n2 will be given as a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap. So therefore the angle between the planes will be given as uh, cos theta. So if the angle in between the planes is theta, then cos of the angle in between the planes will be given as n1 dot n2 divided by mod of n1 into mod of n2 and whole mod of that. So therefore, if theta is the acute angle in between two intersecting planes, suppose if theta is, so here theta is the acute angle in between two intersecting planes pi1 and pi2, then the cos of that acute angle will be given as mod of n1 and 2. So simply we can tell that cos theta will be equal to mod of n1 cap mod of n1 cap dot n2 cap. So simply that we have to find. So therefore here the plane pi1 is given as, so here if the angle theta is 0 degree, then it means cos theta equals to 1. If cos theta is 1, uh, yeah, one can say that if theta is 90 degree, then cos theta will be 0. It means that then we will get a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 that is equal to 0. Then we will tell, then the planes pi1 will be perpendicular to pi2. And if n1 vector is parallel to n2, then I will tell that the angle theta in between the two planes will be 0 degree. It means they will be parallel. So then I will have to tell that n1 should be equal to some lambda times n2. So I can say that if the ratios of the direction ratios that should be same, means the direction ratios of the normal vector to to the two planes that should be proportional. Means a1 by a2 should be b1 by b2, that should be equal to c1 by c2. Then we will tell that the planes pi1 will be parallel to plane pi2. So now the plane pi1 is given as 4x plus 8y plus z minus 8 that is equal to 0. And the plane pi2 is given as y plus z minus 4 that is equal to 0. So now here, therefore, n1 vector that is equal to 4 I cap plus 8 j cap plus k cap. And the vector n2 vector that is given as 0 I cap, then j cap plus k cap. So therefore here n1 dot n2 that is equal to how much? That is that is coming 4 into 0 plus 8 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So that is 9. And also the ratios of the direction ratios along the n- normals are not the same. So it means I will tell, so the planes, so the given planes, so the given planes are neither parallel nor they are perpendicular. So we can say that the angle, if the angle theta in angle in between them is theta, if the acute angle, so if the acute angle between the planes, the acute angle between the planes is theta, suppose, then we can say that cos theta will be equal to n1 mod of n1 dot n2 divided by mod of n1 into mod of n2. So n1 dot n2 we got it as 9, so it is mod 9 divided by, now here from here we can find mod of n1, that will be equal to square root of 4 square plus 8 square plus 1 square, and this will be, from here we can find n2 mod of n2, that is square root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is obviously root 2 units. So this will be square root of 4 square, that is 16 plus 64 plus 1, and times this will be mod of n2, that is root 2. So this will be equal to 9 by, this is 16 plus 64, that is 80. Yeah, 80 plus 1, that is 81. So root over 81 into root 2. So that is 9 by 9 into root 2. So 9 and 9 will cancel out. So therefore cos theta is 1 by root 2. So therefore the theta will be equal to cos inverse 1 by root 2. So cos inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4 radian, or it is 45 degree. Hence we can say, hence the angle in between the given planes, or you can say the acute angle in between the given planes is 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 45 degree, and the obtuse angle will be of obviously 180. So here we can see that the acute angle in between these two planes is 45 degree. Therefore, the obtuse angle in between these two planes will be obviously 135 degree. Okay. So this is the final answer. Thank you.